welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. It is officially summer where I live and I couldn't be happier. So I thought what better way to kick it off than start off with a DIY beauty routine that I absolutely love doing. I have been making my own homemade body scrubs now for I would say over a year and I absolutely love it. I find that it's just more natural because you don't know what's in those body scrubs that's at the shop. You can make so much more for like a fraction of the cost. And they just smell and feel absolutely amazing, and they work just as well as the ones in the store anyway. So for today's video, I'm going to make you two of my favorite ones, and that is a lavender one for relaxation and a chocolate one just because I love chocolate. If you do end up making any of these sugar scrubs, please tag me on Instagram because I'd love to see. This is a lavender one. It smells so good, I find it so relaxing, and it's perfect for gifts or just to make for yourself. Why not spoil yourself? The other one I'm going to make today is this chocolate one. It also smells incredible. It smells good enough to eat, to be honest.
The first body scrub I'm going to be making is a lavender one. This is great for relaxation and stress relief. In order to make this, you're going to need one large bowl, airtight containers to store your body scrub in, wooden spoons, measuring cups, 1/4 cup and 1 cup measurement, 1 mixing spoon, sugar, sweet almond oil, fresh and dried lavender, and lavender essential oil. The first thing you're going to need to do is pour 1 cup of sugar into your bowl. You can use either white or brown sugar depending on the exfoliation that you're looking for. Brown sugar is a lot more gentle on the skin. Add 1/4 cup of your almond oil. This again can be substituted with coconut oil or olive oil, any other carrier oil of your choice. The next thing I'm going to add is my dried lavender. You need 1 tablespoon. And last but not least, the most important thing is the lavender essential oil. I'm adding 15 to 20 drops, but it's completely up to you how much you want. And that's all you need to make your lavender body sugar scrub. All you have to do now is combine all the ingredients together and enjoy it. I like to use this body scrub at least 2 to 3 times a week. I prefer to use it just before bedtime because I find it very relaxing and calming. The next sugar scrub I'm going to be making is the chocolate one, which smells incredible. You're going to need white sugar, brown sugar, olive oil, cocoa powder, vanilla essence, vitamin E oil, chocolate to decorate. First thing you're going to want to do is add a half a cup of your white sugar to your bowl. Then a half a cup of brown sugar. One tablespoon of cocoa powder. A quarter cup of olive oil. A half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. And lastly, you're going to need vitamin E oil. I would say about 5 drops only. You don't need a lot of it at all. Now all you have to do is combine all your ingredients together. This sugar scrub smells so divine. I feel like I'm baking a cake. It's just all the perfect ingredients together. Just look at that. Isn't that just delicious? There you have it, a gorgeous chocolate sugar scrub. Thanks so much for watching my video. If you've enjoyed it, please give it a huge thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more.